Hello guys, welcome to another video, and this video is about YouTube monetization. And let me quickly drop this. If you are not interested in YouTube monetization, you can as well skip this video, okay? If you are the type that you want to have fun with your video, you just want to post content without looking forward to being monetized, okay? Someday you can just, don't worry. So let me say this. We are all aware that you need 1,000 subscribers, right? And you also need 4,000 watch hour, or you get your 10 million views on short. Some people don't really understand that 4,000 watch hour. I'm going to explain that before I go to the other things I want to talk about today. The 4,000 watch hour must be within 12 months. Okay, not just everlasting 4,000 watch hour. No, it has to be within 12 months. So if YouTube is calculating from March, okay, it's going to be, or maybe you started your channel in March, it's going to be from the March of that particular year to 12 months, you understand? So that's how they calculate the watch hour. That being said, let me point out to you some things that YouTube would check before your channel will be monetized. So if you fall short of these things I'm going to be saying now, because it's directly from YouTube, then you can start adjusting your ways so that by the time you are applying for monetization, you do not have issues with the platform. YouTube is very strict with their policies, and they want every creator to follow the monetization policy. Now look at this. So what we look or what we check when we review your channel. So before YouTube approves your channel for monetization, your channel will be reviewed. Now listen, if you are making money on YouTube, your content should be original and authentic. See, this means that we expect your content to be your own original creation. Did you see that? So if you borrow content from someone else, you need to change it significantly to make it your own. For those of you that download other people's video and post directly on your channel, you are at risk. Yes, any video you want to have in your channel must have your originality in it. That means that video must have your own input. You can't just copy, download somebody else's video and upload it. You're going to be penalized for that. You're not going to. That video will get you into issue with the platform. It's against the policy. Okay, let me also make mention of the next thing I want to talk about. Said your video should not be duplicate. Should not duplicate your video or make it a repetitive content. Okay, your content should be made for the enjoyment or education of viewers rather than the sole purpose of getting views. Maybe you saw that this particular video caught a lot of attention. You had 20,000 views. You now say, okay, what's the new trick? You now re-uploaded that video. That is already on your platform, so you leave it there. Don't upload it again. And let's assume you want to upload it again. You will need to make some renovation to it. You will need to modify it, you understand, so that it will not be repetitive. It will not be the same content. Now pay attention, because this other part are crucial. Now look at this. YouTube have what they call channel reviewers. They are the ones that look at your channel before you can get approved. Now look at what they said here. Said our reviewers would check your channel and content against our policy or our policies. So since they can't check every video, okay, our reviewers may focus on your channels. Now let me make mention of the thing. They will focus on main theme, that is what your channel is all about. They're going to check it. What are you doing in your channel in general? Another thing they're going to make mention or going to check is your most viewed videos. Okay, those videos that you have, that went viral and the rest of it, they will be reviewed. Another thing, the next thing is newest videos. They're going to check out your newest videos. Are they actually yours, or you took it from some other places? Now, look at the next one. Say biggest proportion of watch hour. Okay, what's the largest proportion of watch hour that you've ever had? Maybe a video gave you 2,000 watch hour. They're going to check out that video. You understand? So what's the largest range of watch hour or proportion of watch hour you've ever had on your channel? They look at them. The next one is this: video metadata. Okay, video metadata are data that came with the video before you uploaded it, such as your title, your thumbnail, okay, your description. So they'll check out those information. Okay, if it does not goes against the policy, then you are safe. But if it goes against the policy, then you are going to have a problem with the platform. Okay, one other thing that they look out for is the channel description or about the channel. So for those of you that don't have any description on your channel, I think it's high time you do that. YouTube want to know what is your channel about, because these are all the things the reviewer will check. And if the reviewer find out that you are going against any of these policies, you'll be at risk of rejection. Do you get it now? And for those of us that don't know or are confused about how to get your watch hour, let me give you this bonus. This is not part of the video, but let me just give it to you. If you go into your YouTube studio, if you want to upload on your mobile phone, ensure you are uploading from your browser, either Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, whatever browser you want to use. Ensure you are allowing the browser to view as desktop. You understand? So go to your channel and upload like that, so that you have access to details and the things I want to talk about right now. When you start uploading, after your title, okay, your description, then you come to a section that talks about playlist. Go ahead and create a playlist if you don't have a playlist before. Create the playlist, title the playlist, and add that particular video you want to upload to the playlist. Do we get it now? So every video you're going to be uploading from now, ensure that they are attached to a playlist. This is what that will do for you. Simply means that when somebody finishes watching one of your video, the next video will just suddenly pop up and start playing because they belong to the same playlist. That's the beauty of playlist. And who knows, when the video just start playing, the person may just be interested in this other video and keep playing and keep watching your video, and your watch hour is increasing. So that's the tip. And for your previous videos that you don't have them on playlist, go to your YouTube studio again. Okay, go to edit. Go to where you can edit your details, then go to that section of playlist. Go ahead and add that video into playlist. Do that for at least 10 of your videos on the channel. Make sure you don't have nothing less than 10 videos on a single playlist. In fact, you can have 30, as much as you can add. The playlist is wide. It's just a link to your video. Do you understand? So do this and you're going to start accumulating your watch hour. Don't forget, your watch hour will be counted within 12 months. Not general, not infinity. Don't forget that. If you find value in this video, give it a like, share with a friend, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Help me grow, and together we're going to make money on YouTube. Yes. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Up here. Is it up here or up here? Yeah, one of the offs anyway. Thank you, and I say bye-bye.